Good afternoon. This is Dr. Morse, and I'm giving you just a little bit more of lesson 6. Okay, this is the second half of lesson 6. And I divided these up just because they're pretty different. Okay. Um, the other thing you're going to see is a tie. And of course, here we have a tie combines the durations of two or more notes. Okay, so you can have one tie that just attaches two notes. Or you can have a tie, a note, a tie, a note, a tie, a note, which would be two ties attaching three notes, okay? So we just learned in the previous lesson 6 video that this is 1.5 beats, this is 3 beats in 4/4 time, okay? So you're also gonna see it, just like we broke it up last time, with two eighth notes contained in this quarter note and an eighth note by itself, but they are tied together. That's going to mean exactly the same thing as the other one. Okay, so 1.5 beats. Same thing with this. The dotted half note becomes a half note tied to a quarter note, which equals 3 beats. Okay. Uh, the last thing you might see is you might see these two ties here, which we talked about just a second ago. Two ties there, two ties there. It's all the same thing. This note, this note, this note all have the same duration. This note, this note, this note all have the same duration. Okay, so go ahead. At this point, you've watched four of these tutorial videos. I need you to go ahead and do your worksheet for your Berkeley Music Theory Book 1, okay? And I think it starts on page 14, okay? So get that done, and there'll be 2 more worksheets you have to do a little later in the week. Thank you.